over, but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your vodka is the...
How's it going, everyone? It's Logan Anderson here, back with another video for you today. What we're going to talk about is Planet Fitness's introduction into including more inclusive fitness equipment into their clubs. Now, if you are somebody who knows me personally, I'm not a huge fan of Planet Fitness, whether it's due to their lunk alarm or kind of lack of general free weight equipment, which they are changing. They're getting a lot more bench presses and squat racks in there. Or their public health message where they give pizza and candy to members. It's just something that I'm not a huge particular fan of. With that said, though, there are some good things that Planet Fitness does. One of the big ones is that it's very cheap. It's usually about $10 a month, and when it comes to membership and overall access to good quality gym equipment, this is a really good opportunity for individuals who are maybe a little bit lower income to get into fitness. As we know, that is one of the big things that people don't get into fitness, is because it's too expensive, or at least they perceive the budget to be too expensive for them. So anyway, that's a complete side note and a tangent, but Planet Fitness got a really good move here. They're adding some inclusive fitness equipment. So the Planet Fitness Incorporated, if we go over onto the website here and look at this article, so we can see including fitness equipment, Planet Fitness Inc. in Hampton, New Hampshire, and a local inclusive entity is working together to add accessible equipment for individuals at these Planet Fitness clubs. So in this, they talk about adding some inclusive cable strength equipment for individuals who are in wheelchairs and can't stand very much. Cable machines are a really great bang for your buck, especially when it comes to inclusive exercise, because there's not a lot of error to go wrong. You know, if they do an exercise wrong or accidentally drop the weight, quote unquote, it's attached to the cable. It's not really going to do much harm, if anything, to themselves, which is a really big one. In addition to this, they're adding multiple different cardio machines, a recumbent cardio machine where they can move the arms and the legs at the same time, and it's a very low impact option. I think they're kind of referring to something that's like a Biodex or a New Step. I've had a lot of experience working with these, and they are a super good option for individuals with special needs who might have a leg or an arm disability where they can't use it fully. Really great low impact option. Talks about a lot of cardio equipment. They're actually going to add some little feedback for individuals who have visual impairments, so potentially either Braille or some headphone feedback where they can listen to settings and maybe speak instead of just having to press touchscreen buttons. So again, making it a little more inclusive. And on some of these pieces of equipment, they're actually going to put different stickers so you know it's for those inclusive individuals. Furthermore, in the article, they just talk about applauding Planet Fitness for becoming more accessible. I think this is super exciting for just individuals of all disabilities, specifically ones with mobility disabilities. It's just going to improve that overall access and decrease the amount of barriers, because as we know, individuals with disabilities already have a lot of barriers as is when it comes to improving their health and wellness and getting into fitness. So offering this for them in a low-cost environment, in that environment which is typically perceived as a judgment-free zone, it's just going to change night and day for those individuals with disabilities. I'm super excited for this. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about Planet Fitness doing this. I can foresee a lot of other commercial gyms potentially adding some more of this stuff to kind of improve the lives of individuals with special needs, because they're, as I've mentioned numerous times, underserved when it comes to improving their health and wellness, and arguably they should be the most important and most catered to, because they're not able to go in and do all these crazy exercises that individuals without these impairments can. So having these accessible options are super good and a super good step in the right direction. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for clicking on the next one, and we'll see you.
Tell me you know